Two new apps, AI and ESG, and Odoo 19 is set to change the way your business runs. Hey, Ben here. Let's check out the biggest updates.
Odoo 19 helps you build faster, cleaner sites with guided onboarding, ready-to-use templates, and SEO checks for headings, alt tags, and broken links. You can now design your store exactly how you want, from product layouts to checkout flows, and connect with TikTok, Google Shopping, and more. Think shared contact properties, CC'd replies, and AI win rate analysis, all built to keep your pipeline sharp and focused. Mention roles, format messages, and route chats by skill, plus control chat sessions so your agents stay in the driver's seat. Moving on to VoIP, you can handle multiple numbers, preview calls, and merge conversations without leaving Odoo. Set up deals like buy two for $20 and flexible rental pricing that works for Aussie retailers and service providers. With POS, dine-in or takeaway presets, fiscal settings, and Tyro integration make checkout smoother, perfect for cafes and retail stores. In Odoo 19, no more packaging models, create pack-in-pack with barcodes, and use smarter dashboards to suggest purchases instantly. Manufacturers can now switch work order status back and forth, pick components faster, and complete every action directly on the card. Accounting gets smarter with tax returns, mobile bank reconciliation, invoicing, reporting, and PEPAL tools built for localization.
Excitingly, Odoo just dropped a new AI app that updates fields, handles custom logic, and even lets you chat with your own smart assistant.
Another new app, ESG, helps you assign emission factors, track scope 1 to 3 automatically, and generate CSR-ready reports. And over 50 niche-ready apps, from membership tracking to excise tax, so you can get started fast without reinventing the wheel. But the most worth waiting for? Odoo 19 brings BAS tax automation, open banking, and DGST direct from the ATO for Australia. All right, that's the tour. What's your top pick of Odoo 19? Drop it in the comments and join the chat.